Pronunciation is an art of a language. If you want to be good at a language, or if you want to be an expert of a language, then the very first thing that you have to do is to develop your pronunciation. Without the development of pronunciation of that language, you can never be good at that language. So this is must for everybody to be good at pronunciation of that language. Today, I'd like to talk about English language. If you want to be good at English language, or if you want to be an expert of English language, then the very first task that you have to do is to develop your pronunciation. Without developing pronunciation, you can never be good at English language because people from different parts of the world can't understand what you are talking about. So for the development of your pronunciation in English language, I'm going to share 3 simple tips in this very video. So you're requested to watch the video till the end. I hope you will get something that will really help you and change your psychology for the development of pronunciation. Let's start with the accent. Before developing your pronunciation, you have to choose an accent that you would like to use in your conversation. Because English is an international language, so people from different parts of the world are using it. As a result, the accent of English language is changed a lot. It sounds different in different parts of the world. But when you would like to learn it as its own, then you have to follow British and American people. So if you want to pronounce English words like British and American people, then you have to take a decision that which accent would you like to choose. Why I'm talking about? Let's say father is in American English, whereas if you want to pronounce it like British, then they will say father. Mother is in American, but mother is in British. Teacher is in American, but teacher is in British. At the same time, American people say news, but British people say news. American people say nuclear, but British people say nuclear. So before developing your pronunciation, this is first task for you to choose the accent that you really love to use, that you really enjoy. So if you want to speak in English like American people, then just try to follow the American accent. After choosing the accent, your second task, you have to break down the words into sound. When you pronounce a word, then you have to break it down. Let's say pronunciation is a big word, so if you want to pronounce it correctly, then you have to break it down into separate sections. First one, like you can say pronunciation. Pronunciation. So when you want to pronounce it correctly, then you have to break it down into several sounds that will really help you to pronounce it better. And finally, you have to listen. If you want to be an American English speaker, or if you want to be a good American English speaker, then you have to listen the resources of American English. Because listening is something that will directly help you to develop your pronunciation. This is automatic. This is by default. So people, I think, who would like to speak in American English, this is the must thing that they have to do is to listen American English. If they can do it, believe me, within very short time, their pronunciation will be different and will be like American people effortlessly. And these are the 3 simple tips that you can follow for developing your pronunciation. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you guys want to get more videos like this, do subscribe our channel and like our page for getting updates. Thanks again. Goodbye.